Do you have emergency luggage in your luggage? If not, I found this at Ikea. Hadn't really thought about it before, but it's a really good idea to have some luggage to put inside your luggage. So this is your shopping bag. So it's a little tiny square, and then when you pop it open, it magically transforms into a giant, good-sized bag. So if you're at the airport and your stuff weighs more than 50 pounds, you can take this bag and use it as a carry-on. Good quality stuff, super light, super small. And this stuff is all made in Vietnam, which is a little bit south of Stockholm. And this is a backpack. So I've been looking for one of these. So you can see in my hands, relatively small backpack. I like to keep this in my car. That way, if I ever need to backpack somewhere, or if the car gets stuck and you need to run out and get help, it's pretty giant. See if we can get it back up, a close-up view of it. So you can fit a fair amount of stuff in there. You have a zipper pocket, adjustable straps for your back. And then the original pouch turns into a pouch on the outside of the bag. So very nice, very light, and very small when it's folded up, and very big when it's unfolded. And then my favorite one that I've had for a while is the massive duffel bag. This one doesn't fold up very small, but when you open it up, it's a good sturdy duffel bag made out of real powerful stuff. So there you go. If you're inclined to shop at Ikea and you just walk by their furniture set, and you just walk by their luggage section, take a look at some of this folding luggage. They've got other backpacks and airplane bags too, but to just have some emergency bags on hand, keep one of these in every one of your cars. Keep a backpack stashed on your motorcycle in case you decide to buy something and you want to carry it home. Always good to have around. Thank you, Ikea of Sweden and Vietnam.